TruWound. TruWound is a realistic gunshot wound model with a pressure blood supply system to simulate severe hemorrhaging. It allows realistic wound packing training techniques with visual feedback when the correct pressure is applied to the packed wound. The pressurized blood flow system allows the instructor to control blood flow to either 1, 2, or all 3 wounds at once, making it ideal for a fast-paced classroom environment. Model features include size, appearance, and feel is realistic to a large bullet wound, and it can be packed with hemostatic pads to teach wound packing procedures. It's durable, tested for 500+ procedures without fail. Users can simulate heavy bleeding with venous and arterial flows with the pressurized blood system. Visual feedback when the correct pressure is applied to the packed wound. Initial setup is less than 5 minutes. The TruWound blood collection containers help keep mess to a minimum during packing procedures, and the arterial blood is washable and will not stain the model. This model comes with a 1-year warranty as standard. For more information or to speak with a product specialist, email info@trucorp.com or call 4428 388 2714.